Okay, hi. Okay, I am going to be teaching you today is how to create a group on Facebook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen so I can walk you through how to do that. And you're going to start with going to Facebook. Okay, so when you're in Facebook, you're going to click here on groups and then create a group. So in order to get this ready to go, one of the links we had just shared before was about creating a party on pamperchef.com under My Shows and Orders. You must create that first so that you can have a link for your host to be able to have people shop from. So that's one thing. I just do that in order. I always create the party first, go to Facebook, create the group, and then if you're using a different source to be able to post for you, post my party, Cint, Share, Visly. There's a couple different ones you can use, but you would do that after you create the Facebook group. So in here, you want to use the group name based on the party you just booked. So when I create the party, I always give a title for what I want to appear when they send out the link. So whatever the host name is, and then I do it as like Amber's Pampered Chef. You can do online, you can do virtual, you can do Facebook, you can do whatever words you like, party. And then you always have to add someone before you can create the group. So this is a good idea if you have a secondary email, a fictitious email. You could always use your, or Facebook, I'm sorry. I always just use my email address. So I go in and add myself as a secondary person. It just goes to my email. It just invites me, but that's all it does. So I just am able to delete that very quickly. Closed group, that's really important because you don't want to be bothering people. When the host has it as public and she's the host, every time it is posted, something will bing up on her feed and it'll start, people will see every single post that happens and it gets repetitious and some people don't want to be part of the group. So I like it private so that it is just, or closed so that it is just between the host and her friends. That way it's a private, it's a party. So closed group, very important. Pin post, when you pin it here, it actually is going to show up in the side banner when you're on Facebook. So it's a quick link that you can go in and out of if you are copying and pasting into your party. That way, if people are commenting, you can quickly find it and go in and answer questions, really build that, that relationship with your customers when they're in there. So you got that going, create the party. And once it's created, this is when you get to have fun in there. So you're going to upload a photo. This, because you've now taken the in-person and virtual trainings, now you're going to utilize the virtual training part by going to pamperchef.com. We are going to go to Consultants Corner, Marketing Imagery, and go down to Virtual. When you're virtual, this is where, if you're not sure how to do virtual parties yet, you can go and look at the link. There's trainings that we have for that. There is trainings right here that you can click on this training and really get yourself familiar with that. There's groups you can go to learn that. There's all kinds of areas, but the best thing to do is do your own virtual party every month with the different themes that we have, because there's so many options, and that way you can always have something new for your friends to see and recipes to try. Really does help build that relationship with everybody. So when I just showed you last Amber's how to create the party, I used the picture of the fajitas, and so that would be the Everyday Fiesta, and it was a great picture that kind of relates to this party. So we're going to click the Everyday Fiesta. That's the virtual party I'm going to be doing. So then you want to take it and you're going to be setting this party up. So these are the pictures you're going to be doing into the party when you set it up. And it's before you invite the host, because the host doesn't need to see you adding these things and deleting things. And so once the party's ready, then you would invite her. And I'll tell you a little bit after of when I invite. So this banner here is the one I'm going to use for the top of my party. So that is downloading. I will go into Amber's party here. And I have all these tabs open because I go back and forth while I'm in my office. And so I use different ones. So now that is ready, I'm going to take it and I'm going to drag that right on up into this box. It's going to upload it and then ta-da, save it. Now you've got your banner. So what's next now that you've done that? So what I do now is you want to go ahead and create a description right here. It is tell people what this group is about. So you're going to be doing a virtual party. So adding the description gives you the box. So now you're going to go back. That's why you got to keep this open, is your Everyday Fiesta right here on this party setup. Look at that, and it gives you the outline of every day that you're going to be posting. So that way you don't have to really think about what you need to do and what you don't. So suggest pin post. This is what I put in the description. So I will take this, oops, sorry. I will take this and, oh, I want all of it done. So take that, copy that one. I do Command C or Control C, depends on if you're on a Mac or PC. Go to her party. In the description here, you're going to paste it. So order here anytime during the party. Insert the order link. Remember, you had to create the party first. So that's where I'm going to go into my shows and orders. And we're going to find Amber's party, Amber Arden, right here. So go under here, the party page. At the bottom, I created that URL link. So I'm going to copy that, copy it, go up to her party, and I'm going to replace that right here. Paste that in there. And then, oops, let's just take that to a new line. Welcome to, and you're going to change this. And every party, I do the same thing. These all have the exact same words on every party. I just change out the names, the themes, the close date, and the links. So the party, remember, it's Everyday Fiesta. Everyday Fiesta virtual party. During the party, you'll be given new recipes, learn cooking tips and tricks, and see great products and make mealtime easier. Join in anytime you can during the party, but remember, the last day to order ends, and you put the date here. Mine run Monday through Friday, so I'm going to be putting the actual date. So it's going to be Friday, August. Oh, I forgot already. What day I had that to? All right, show information, the 24th. Okay. So I'm going to go and put that in here. Okay, so August 24th. Okay. It says a virtual party lets you join the fun from anywhere, anytime. Don't forget, participate by asking questions, making suggestions, and letting me know what types of solutions would help you most in your kitchen. Order online anytime throughout the party, and feel free to contact me whenever you have any questions. And then you're going to put your name, your phone number, and any other information you want to share with them. But what you could do, oops, if I spelled this right, is you could always take and have this on one party, and then open up your next party you're going to do, create another group, and just copy paste. It already has your information in there. You're just changing the host name and her link. So you can learn as you go, but that's what you're going to do. So you put all that information in there. So this is, oops. I'm going to go down in line. And then my cell phone number. And then I do the cell, text me. And then this could be pretty much it, because my email, I'd rather them contact me right here through Messenger or text me. So that's basically all I do there. So I save that. And so now as I come back in and refresh this, it'll have the description that'll pop up here. And it's just like that. So then I take here, once you're in there, mark this as an announcement. And when you have announcements, it stays at the top. And so as things are posting, they'll post underneath it. So that'll always stay at the top. So people always know the link, the date it closes, and my contact information. So this always stays at the top. So that's what I do there. The picture's there. This now never deletes, but since I already have the description, I just want to delete that one because it's already above it. So you don't need it twice. You don't need it duplicated. So that'll be in there. And then, because it goes there. The next thing you do is you want to go back in Fiesta. So the next, what to expect. So this is the next picture you're going to do. Go in, I'm going to move this over so you guys can see. Click out of there, what to expect, and then click going. So here, this one right here, if you're going to be doing live videos, which we definitely recommend you do because that really helps your customers get to know you. It makes it more personal. So doing live videos, even just a quick little tip, put your personality into the show and it really helps people want to connect with you. So this one is great because it shows that you're going to do a live demo. It could even be as quick as showing them how to make you know, egg in the microwave. It could be how to use a manual food processor to make salsa. It could be whatever. So even quick little things could do it. You don't have to do a full demo 20 minutes, 3 minutes, you know, very quick. So you're going to take this one, download that, back into your party, and this picture's ready. Drag it over. Is this the one? Nope, it's up here. Up there. So we've got that one in there. And so then you're going to take it and post it. So now that's in. What to expect from Pampered Chef. And that's a picture that they'll see as soon as they are invited. And the last one that you can do is click going. The save the date is one that you would have the host send to people. Let's Fiesta, and it says you're invited to everyday Fiesta party, Fiesta virtual party. So these are the ones that the host can definitely do. And the party starts tomorrow. This is another option because I believe when you're doing events, going is what they have to click. When you're doing groups, I think they just join. And so you could always use this one. So let's start tomorrow. So go in here, and this one's ready. Put that up there. It says let's party. The party starts tomorrow. Looking forward to showing you great recipes and tips to help you be the hero in your own kitchen. Oops. And then you could put in the host link again. Party-Amber Arden and host. And so now that takes it so that when this comes up, they just click here and they can order. And so now, say you created this today, but you're not going to actually have the host invite anybody till Sunday. So you can have this ready to go. It'll just sit there just like this until you're ready to have her invite her friends. So have it ready to go. If you have a couple virtual parties you're doing at one time, Sunday you can add the host, and all you do up here is you just click right here and you add the host name in there, and then she will pop right in. So whoever the host is, you put that in there. But then that gives her Sunday to invite everybody, and it tells them right here, party starts tomorrow, you know, what to expect. And so they've got all these things to read up on, and that description should have stayed. I think I deleted the wrong one. So then you go in, and then now they can start ordering. They'll be ready to go for tomorrow, and then your posts will be ready to go. So that's creating your group on Facebook. If you are doing like your VIP group, that's a different training that we'll show you, but this is how to do your online parties using groups. Okay, hope that helped. Talk to you guys later. Remember, ask your host, your director questions, and take all the trainings you can to get yourself very familiar. But best thing you can do is do your own virtual party so you can get the practice and get to learning. All right, you guys, take care. Bye.